Hi everyone, this is the No Added Salt Guy. Today I'm making a roasted cauliflower and grilled cheese sandwich. So the first thing I'm going to do is cut a couple of cauliflower steaks about an inch thick and then roast them in a pan with some olive oil at about 425 degrees for about 18 minutes. Make sure you flip them, and this is what they should look like when they're done. Next, I'm going to melt some butter and some olive oil in a large frying pan and saute one side of the steaks for a few minutes till they soften a little more. And then I'm going to flip them and begin adding the cheeses. So here I'm using Gouda and sharp cheddar cheeses, and I melted a little bit in the open side of the pan in the olive oil and butter and put it on top of the cauliflower steak. Next, I'm going to take some beefsteak tomatoes. I sliced them up. Did the same thing as with the cheese. I'm going to heat them up a little bit, put them on top of the sandwich, and then I'm going to cover the sandwich and cover everything and let it cook for a few minutes. Take off the lid. I'm going to flip it, cover it, let it cook for a few minutes more, and it's ready to serve. This sandwich is gluten-free and vegetarian. No added salt guy. Less salt every day.